Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily change aspect ratio in CapCut application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the CapCut application on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to open up the video that you are editing and that you want to change the aspect ratio for. And right here you'll be able to find some different tools, and you'll be able to find aspect ratio right here. Click on it and you'll be able to find different aspect ratios like TikTok and YouTube short and Instagram post, YouTube long video, YouTube another for YouTube, and 3 ratio 4, 2 ratio 1. Now if you're creating a long video you can consider 16 ratio 9, and if you're creating a YouTube short or TikTok or reels like this, you can select 9 ratio 16 and then hit tick on the bottom right and it will be changed. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.